Visibility wise here then, having to go quite deep into these corners and leaning over quite a bit to be able to improve my visibility. Okay, currently my light's green limit, there's no point in me trying to chase it, it could very easily change. Okay, and then I'm going to continue straight ahead here then, so only a 20, and I'm currently in second going 16. It's fine to go ever so slightly quicker, 19 now. Regular checks of my rear view mirror and my side mirror so that I know what space I've got around me, whether I've got anyone around me. Not sure what this person's doing, but distance from the curb wise, they're miles away. Gonna reverse on a drive by the look of it. Brake lights on the car in front. There's an obstacle. Workman. So what I'm going to do then is I'm going to move out nice and early to improve my visibility. And then increasing my speed now. I'm also now out of the 20 zone as well, so I'm fine to go a little quicker. Right, up in gear. Visibility wise then, not too bad. Okay, at the end of the road then, turning left.